Your business card is an essential part of your branding. A great business card design makes your business stand out, presents your business to the world and makes your customers remember you. But how do you design a business card? Hello everyone, welcome to Graphic Hunters. And today, I'm going to talking about the business card. I will disclose a detailed guideline for a professional business card, as well as show you which thing you should consider before designing a business card. So, let's start the video. There are two crucial design components you need finalized before going to design a business card, even you begin thinking of business cards. These two components are: number 1, a finished logo. Number 2, brand color scheme. Logos and color schemes are the two most important visual choices for branding. Not only will these elements play a big part in creating your business card, they'll also help influence other areas like layout and identity. When you have these two components, that mean logo and color scheme, now this is time to design a business card through these 6 steps. And the 6 steps are: number 1, choose your size. Number 2, add your logo and other graphics. Number 3, add necessary text. Number 4, choose your typography. Number 5, consider special finishes. Number 6, finalize your design. Step 1, choose your size. The first step is the size of business card. This mostly depends on the standard of the country, so that's a good place to start. Even if you plan to stand out, you have to know what everyone else is doing to go against it. These 3 are the standard size of business card, which designer follow when designing business card. North American standard size, 3.5 inches to 2 inches. European standard size, 3.346 inches to 2.165 inches. Oceania standard size, 3.54 inches to 2.165 inches. No matter the size of business card, you always want to consider 3 factors when designing business card. The 3 factors are: number 1, bleed area. Number 2, trim line. Number 3, safety line. Take a look at the following guide to find the correct size of the business card, when taking into account bleed, trim and safety lines. This line is bleed area, that mean, the outermost part of the card likely to be removed. This is trim line, that mean, the target line for cutting cards. And this is safety line, that mean, anything outside this line is subject to cutting mistakes. Don't let essential elements like text or logos fall outside this line. Now, go Adobe Illustrator. Friends, as you know, this is the interface of Adobe Illustrator software. Now go File. Click on New. Take a new document for designing business card. I write here business card. And change the measurement pixels to inches. Now write here width 3.5 inches. And the height is 2 inches. And take 2 artboard, because we will design both sides of the business card. Now change the color mode to CMYK, because we know CMYK used for printing purpose. And that the business card must be printout. Now click on More Setting. After that, you will find lots of option. Take bleed for business card 0.125, and this is the standard size for business card. And from the raster effect, select the high resolution, that mean 300 ppi. Now click on Create Document. As you can see guys, I have created business card size for my design. And this is how you can easily make size for your business card. As you can see friends, here is a bleed area and trim line, but safety line is missing. Because you need to create the safety line by yourself. There are many ways to create safety line, but I'm going to show you the best and easy way, how to take safety line for your business card. For that, first take rectangle tool, and draw a rectangular equal to artboard. Change the stroke color to red, so that we can easily understand. Now select the rectangular. Go Object. Select Path, select Offset Path. From the offset, take -0.125 for safety line. You can take more than it, or less. Now click on OK. As you can see, I have taken safety line for the one side, now I need to take this for the second part. So select the safety line. Go Edit, select Copy. Again go Edit, and select Paste on all artboards. After that, the safety line automatically placed in the second artboard. Now take roller, so press Ctrl R for taking roller. Now take roller, and place this on the safety line like that. Now select the roller lines, and lock it by press Ctrl 2. I locked this roller so that it cannot move. So friends, this is how you can take size for your business card. Now we will discuss about the step number 2. Step number 2 is, add your logo and other graphics. In this step, we begin plotting the visual elements of our business card design. First and foremost, the logo. Our logo should take center stage on our business card, although other flourishes and secondary graphics can sometimes be useful as well. Again go back to Adobe Illustrator. As you can see friends, there is a logo and color scheme. Now I will design first side of the business card, and try to keep the first side very simple. I just try to use the logo only. So, first take rectangle tool, and draw a rectangular equal to business card. Use the background color as orange. Select the logo, bring the logo fronts like that. Now change the logo color to white. Now put the logo in the middle of the business card. Make the logo a little bit bigger like that. The first side of business card should keep very clean, that means use only the logo. If you want, you can add something like your company name, or your company website. By the way, I don't want to add these. Now try to add graphic to your design. It increase your design values. Suppose, I try to make a pattern by this logo, and use it as a graphic. You can add your company products, or other symbol which represent your company. As you can see friends, I have designed the first part of the business card. Now we go to our third step. The third step is, add necessary text. What your business card actually says depends on you. Work-from-home freelancers may have no need for a postal address, while professions that consult face-to-face require it. So the next step is for you to decide what to put on your business card. Below is a list of some common choices, so you can decide which to include and exclude. These are, name, company name, job title, phone number, email, website URL, social media, address, QR code, slogan. Remember that, business cards aren't just about giving information, but also retaining it. People may already know your number, address, or URL, but keep your card handy in case they forget it. Go back to Adobe Illustrator. As you can see my friends, I have collected all necessary information which I will add business card. Now go our next step. The next step is choose your typography. While typography is always important, it's especially pertinent to business cards since you have to make text completely legible, and have only a small space to work with. Let's break up typography into 3 main categories. Number 1, size. Number 2, font. Number 3, color. To maintain readability, You want all your text to be at least 8 pts. However, you want your most important elements to stand out, so feel free to vary the text sizes. Also consider empty space. You don't want to clutter your card, so leave your text small enough that there's plenty of breathing room around each element. Just remember to choose a font that represents the personality you're going for. A clean and modern sans serif, an individualistic and elegant script, or a classic and timeless serif font? To stay on brand, choose text colors that go well with the background color of your card, which should also be a brand color. Similar colors may look nice together but can be hard to read, so experiment with contrasts for legibility. Here's our finished masterpiece. I hope you loved watching this design come to life. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more creative content. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or ideas for what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and keep unleashing your creativity.